morning, folks. We're reporting live from the Old North State here in North Carolina. Back again, headed today towards Sugar Mountain Resort. I'm not even sure where it's located. Sugar Mountain, North Carolina. Vertical there, 1,200 feet. Got about 20 total runs. Not sure how many are open. According to the ski report yesterday, I believe it was about 12. So excited to get here. It seems like they have some pretty hefty vertical. No idea what to expect. This is my second mountain I've skied in North Carolina so far. Cataloochee was the last one, if you saw that. I'm currently in Old Fort, North Carolina, the gateway to the Smoky Mountains, so this is pretty awesome. Never been over here before in my life. So nice and brisk, 29 degrees, so I hope they had the opportunity to snowmake last night. So I hear that they have a 6-pack lift there, so that should be pretty awesome, getting whizzed to the top. Elevation there is 5,400 feet, which is actually more than Vermont, but it just seems like the mountains themselves are smaller. We're just at a higher elevation. Looking forward to getting out there, shredding some turns, and let's get ripping. There you go.
Scribble's good.
That's right.
Thank you.
That's it.
Well, we're all wrapped up here at Sugar Mountain Resort, located in Sugar Mountain, North Carolina. What a day it was out there. Had a great time. Sun hit it in the morning, got here early, and this seems like one of those places where you can really lay down some turns, and I really enjoyed it. Crowd definitely picked up later in the day. It seems like almost like a race course the whole way down, and if you're coming from the southeast, like, I definitely recommend coming to this mountain. Cataloochee, I don't know if that was a fair score for them as well. Like, the pitch was a little bit more here at Sugar, I would say, but at Cataloochee, the pitch ran longer. I'm going to give it a shred score. I'm going to end up giving it a 3.6. It's an awesome place, like I said, but we're going against some stiff competition, and the mountains up in the north are just a little bit better. We're 5,400 feet up. I mean, the views are spectacular. It seems like there's a lot of lodging around here, a lot of places to stay. So it seems like a great place to bring your family, honestly. I think I'm going to end up heading to Canaan Valley in West Virginia, so stay tuned for that. Looking forward to getting out there, and I'll see y'all next time.